Hi, it's Crystal again with the City of Los Angeles Sanitation, and we're here today to talk about how to properly dispose of your organic waste that you might have while you're cooking dinner. Some of the things that you might come across are our fruits and vegetable peels. When we peel them, we want to make sure we do not put them down into the sink. Once you finish peeling your potatoes or any other vegetable, put them in your green bin. Green tip. Also, those little stickers that you might see on your fruits and vegetables, peel them off and put them in the trash. Too many stickers will cause a clog in your plumbing line, definitely, and it can cause a buildup and blockage as well. Coffee grounds are also not permissible down the sewer line. They can go in the green bin. Green tip. If you decide to go out for dinner and you have a to-go container, some of these are permissible under the green containers. This includes your paper bag that it came in, or even the paper clamshell container that your to-go food came in as well. Also napkins. Just make sure they're not heavily soiled. Green tip. If you have any more questions on how to dispose of organic waste, please check the description below. I'll see you soon for more tips. And from LA Sanitation, thank you so much for doing your part in moving us forward to zero waste.